Welcome to the first episode of Legal Marketing Minutes, where I share short bursts of current marketing news and advice. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. If we haven't met, I'm a marketing, business development, content, social, and digital media speaker, trainer, and advisor for lawyers and legal marketers in mid to large size law firms. Your time is valuable, so let's get started. If we've known one another very long, you might know that I often talk about the benefits of using video, podcasting, and live streaming in your firms and your practices. I know it can be overwhelming to get started, so I'd like to suggest a way to dip your virtual toe in the water and become more comfortable with the concept of going live without baring your soul and your face to the world just yet. A few weeks ago, I decided that I wasn't presentable enough to go live on my Facebook page using video. I decided it was important for me to stay visible or vocal, so I decided to use Facebook's live audio feature. What? Live audio on Facebook? Did you know? Did you know they had it? Let me know. Yes, when you hit the setting to go live on Facebook, you will see a microphone that you can tap on that will allow you to go live, but with audio only. Neat, huh? I, of course, titled and described what I was getting ready to talk about, which you do just like you do when you're typing a status update, and I shared it very quickly on my PC once I went live to my Facebook group, which took just about 3 seconds. I hope you're all a member of that Facebook group, by the way. And I also shared it to 1 or 2 other legal marketing groups on Facebook where I knew it was okay to share them. My analytics on that live audio were higher than most anything else I had posted on Facebook in a long time. And as you all know, if you've been paying attention to Facebook and Mark Zuckerberg, they've been messing with the algorithms, and reach from Facebook pages is not what it used to be. They're really messing with it. So anytime I see numbers as high as I did with this live audio, I pay attention and I plan to use it more. So if you're hesitant to go live or really even recorded, showing your face on camera, this might just be the perfect interim step for you. It's live, so you'll want to watch for listeners who join, as they might be typing in comments or questions that you will want to address. I mean, it's just like going Facebook Live video, but it's audio. So you'll be getting notifications from Facebook that so-and-so joined, and you'll also be able to see when they make comments, which is kind of fun. It can become a conversation with very few barriers, really. Also, don't forget that replay viewers, those who didn't originally join you live, often outnumber those who join you live. Don't be discouraged if your numbers start low. Just stick with it as you'll build a following. And if you don't build a following and nobody joined, then you don't have any reason to feel self-conscious because nobody was listening, right? You just got practice. I'm just kidding, kind of. But seriously, if nobody shows up, then you had less to worry about and you know you've just practiced something. Seriously, stick with it, like I said, and it will get easier and much more comfortable. And just slow down a little bit. It's okay to just do it conversationally and wait for the opportunity to talk to somebody. If somebody asks a question, it's okay to answer that question, and it's actually encouraged. All right, that's it for today's Legal Marketing Minutes Flash Briefing, my first one. Do me a favor and let me know your thoughts about any of the topics I've discussed today. You can email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, which is MYRLANDmarketing.com. But you know what? I'd love for you to come join my Facebook group, because we talk about all things legal marketing in that group, and I'd love to have your participation. If you go to Facebook, just do a search for social media for lawyers with Nancy Myrland, and you'll see it. There's also a link to that Facebook group off of my Facebook page, which again is just search for Nancy Myrland Marketing and Social Media, and you'll find my page, and it'll show you the group there. All right, until next time, thank you so much for spending a few legal marketing minutes with me. I know your time is valuable, so I appreciate you spending a few of them with me. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Bye.